This is the 2010 Ford Escape XLT. This is the second generation of the Ford Escape, and this model comes with a 2.5 liter i4 with 171 horsepower and 171 pound-feet of torque. Made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and honestly, it's not a bad small SUV. In fact, there's a lot of storage here, especially here in the center console. This little cubby space is deep in itself already, but if you take it out, you could probably store 4 loaves of bread in there. No joke. You could even reach in here. Look at that. This is the front wheel drive variant. It's not the 4-wheel drive, but it does have good maximum towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. Let's check out what the exterior looks like. And these are really nice sized tires too. These are the P225/65 R17. Now, coming into the back seat, I'm behind my driving position at 5'8", and it is pretty cramped back here. Thankfully, there's enough legroom for me, but if there's someone that is taller than 6 foot that is driving, yeah, it's gonna get cramped. Not a lot of comfort amenities in here too, like the center armrest. There is none here, but there is cup holders right over here. You also have a phone charger and the little cubby storage as well. And 2 of the back seats have pocket storages. But for some reason, this light does not work. Well, that's pretty much it with the back seat. Important thing to note is that there is no handlebar here for you to grab and climb into the back seat here. It is pretty short for you to climb into, so there is relatively good egress and ingress of this as well. And coming back to the trunk space here, there's some decent sized storage here. And this is access to the taillight assembly here. Some cubby storage here as well. And you could try folding down the seats from the back seat here, or you could do it in the front. I did have to push up the front seats in order for the back seats here to fold, but they're not completely flat. Coming around here, you can see if you push down, it doesn't go all the way as far as you want it to be. Coming back into the driver's seat, you do have some straightforward basic controls here. You got your volume knob here, you have your fan speed here, which isn't on right now, but if you press this button here, it activates it. You could also activate it by selecting any of these buttons here or here, and then turning it back off. These are your AC buttons here. Down here you have the auxiliary cord. You have a USB Type-C, also a charger here as well. Coming back here, you have your cold and warm climate controls, tuning knob, Sirius XM radio, auxiliary, activation, CD, AM, FM, text, menu, sound, seek and track, This is to load your CD and also to eject it as well. You also have some controls here as well, like pressing this info button here. It puts you to trip A, trip B, your average MPG, and right next to it here you have the setup button, the system check options, oil life, and over to the far left you have the lamp controls as well. All right, let's take this thing for a spin and see what it's like to drive. I should also mention that the seating in here is kind of stiff. It's not exactly comfortable. I wouldn't recommend this for long driving. Overall, this thing is pretty nice to drive. It drives like a small car rather than an SUV. Tell me what you guys think about this car. Would you get something like this? Have you previously owned or currently own something like this? What is it that you like or dislike about this car? Leave a comment below and let me know. As always, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.